Welcome to Shamwari Private Game Reserve. Here, nestled in the heart of the reserve's natural habitat, lies Bornfree's big cat sanctuary, where lions and leopards who suffered dreadfully in captivity are given the chance to heal and live out their lives in peace.
The cats that you'll meet at our big cat sanctuary here at Shamwari have all been rescued from zoos, circuses, exotic pet trade. We are committed to giving them the space and care they need to heal in what we call their forever home.
The saddest part is that none of our kids can be returned back into the wild. All our rescued lions have lost their fear for people, and the lions out there in the wild will never accept them into their pride.
Watching these big cats in action reminds us of the importance of keeping wildlife in the wild. Bornfree Sanctuary provides a space where these fortunate animals can express as many of their natural instincts as possible.
They can mark the territories, use their claws, and they can be stimulated by the natural sounds that's within Shamwari Private Game Reserve.
It's always so rewarding to see our residents adapt and thrive.
From bonds, find their own space and privacy, and live with grass under their paws and the African sunshine on their back.
Our education programs primarily target underprivileged schools in our area, where students are brought in to tour our centers and to experience a wildlife drive at Shamwari, where the animals should be, living freely in the wild rather than in captivity.
We try to help local communities to take decisions that benefit people and the environment for future generations.
Together, we can protect the world's most endangered species and ensure a future where wild animals can live free.